So many candidates are used to ask me, is data scientist course is suitable for my career or not? Is data scientist course has career growth? Okay, so is data scientist course is required programming or coding? So the candidates used to ask me, there are a lot of doubts related to data scientist course. So therefore, I feel that I have to upload one video related data scientist course. After watching this video, you people can decide whether data scientist skills are matching to your profile or not. So before you enter into the topic, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, guys, and also don't forget to share to your friends as well. Because I used to upload more and more helpful and useful content videos in our channel, guys. Now we will see what are the main skills is required for a data scientist. First to listen, guys. First to listen carefully, then you can choose whether data scientist skills are matching or not. Why? Because I am stressing, so many candidates are joining the data sciencing course without any guidance. After that, after a 1 month or 2 months, they are feeling this data scientist course is not fit for me. I am unable to understand the concepts in detail. So these type of queries are coming, guys, from the candidates. Not everyone, but most of the candidates are they are facing these type of problems. So data scientist is not only a single tool, guys. It's like a ocean. It's like a sea. You have to learn a lot of tools and technologies, guys. Okay. So I will tell you what are those tools and technologies you must be stronger to become a data scientist. So there are no fresher data scientist jobs in IT nowadays, guys. Okay, so there may be some chances are there as a fresher also, but it takes a long time. Even to complete a data scientist course, the duration will be 8 to 1 year. It's based on the trainer or based on the institution, guys. It's not a single tool to learn within 2 or 3 months or 6 months. I already told you, it's an ocean. You have to learn multiple things, multiple skills. So you must be strong in multiple skills. I will explain now what are those skills, guys. First, you must be strong in any one programming language, guys. So many candidates are think that data scientist course is not required coding, any programming, but data scientist job is definitely required any one programming language. I highly recommend you either Python or R programming. Most chances are Python is the best option. So you must be strong in to write coding in Python programming. The second skills are you must be strong in mathematics, statistics, and probabilities. Because this job role is completely depends on the data and the science. So there are two terminologies, data and science. Science means mathematics and statistics and probabilities, guys. So data means it's nothing all about database technologies and one programming language. Okay, so data is nothing but you must be handled using one programming language and one database. And the science means you must be strong in like mathematics, statistics, probabilities. And third one, you must be strong in database skills as well, like RDBMS, SQL, because you are going to handle many queries in your job role. You have to write complex queries using database technologies, guys. The fourth one, you must be strong in one data visualization tool, guys. It might be Power BI or Tableau. As a data scientist, all these skills must know, guys. He's an all-rounder, okay, to handle the data. After that, you must be strong in business domain as well, guys. If you don't understand business requirements and business process, then you may not design and analyze the requirements, guys. you must be strong in business domain as well. Then only you can survive and you can become more professional as a data scientist. The next one is you must be strong in logical thinking and analytical skills as well, guys, for data scientist role particularly. The next skills is machine learning, guys. So without machine learning, you may not survive as a data scientist, guys. So there are a lot of algorithms you need to learn, and you need to practice, and you need to be perfect in many statistical algorithms or machine learning algorithms, guys. And also one more technology, guys, you should be strong in big data ecosystems as well, like Hive, Pig. So there are some other related technologies as well for big data, and business analyst skills as well. These are the skills required to survive in IT industry as a data scientist, guys. Yes, we know that data scientist jobs are very huge opportunities are there in IT market in the future as well, with a high package, guys. Okay, but before choosing the data scientist skill set, first question yourself whether these skills are fit to me or not. And you must be have patient, and you must be consistent to learn the technologies, guys. You have to wait up to 1 year to learn all these technologies, guys. So that's why I'm telling you must have patience to learn all these technologies. Okay, and be consistent to learn all these technologies. Now it is up to you, guys. I already told you what are the mandate skills is required to become a data scientist, but I am telling you, guys, these data scientist jobs are huge opportunities are there in future as well with high package, guys. But you have to do a lot of hard work to learn all this skill set and be consistent. I hope this video is very helpful to all you guys, and if you really like this video, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to share to your friends, guys. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.